A key requirement of the FDA and other regulatory organizations is that, after creating results, they must be protected so they can be retrieved unchanged at any future date. Electronic reports provides a pre-submission preview of your final results that can be signed at any time. By applying electronic signatures, these electronic reports and the entire sequence are locked and protected from further changes, ensuring regulatory compliance. Electronic reports are one step in the electronic signature process, capturing a snapshot in time of your results. They are created and viewed in the electronic report category. To create, select the report template and set the sheet conditions. And the report is created. You can review the report before saving or applying an electronic signature. The first step is to submit. Next, enter your signature details. And the signature is applied. The sequence is clearly marked as signed in the studio and in the console. In larger organizations, there may be many sequences to review. The injection query can assist in locating them. Display all the sequences in a folder and group by the sequence name. To open that sequence in the chromatography studio, let's add more search criteria to make it easier to find submitted sequences that need to be reviewed. Custom sequence variables can also be used to filter for a specific reviewer. The sequence can now be reviewed or the signature verified. Electronic reporting and signing, simplified with Chromeleon CDS.